she had such a simple plan, but there were only, according to Auschwitz records, Auschwitz-Birkenau, there were less than 200 successful escapes from that concentration camp. It was heavily guarded, and most of those were men. And by successful escapes, I mean those who weren't caught and returned and killed, those who really did escape. So she got her younger sister, Rachel, who was 6 years younger than she, out with her. And then, oh my goodness, they had harrowing experiences running both from the Russians and the Nazi soldiers. And so that is another fascinating part of the story, and where she finally gets to safety. And
Wow. Before we get into the part where she now gets saved and move on with her life, let's take a short break